I'll share where we slightly differ from SAP or Microsoft's approach for AI. We're getting into AI, but I want to share why we built it the way we built it. Now, let me go ahead and quickly share my screen once again. So when I talk to SAP or Microsoft, etc., the approach which they have taken, you're able to see my screen, right? Yes, no?
Yes, Anupam.
Okay. SAP's approach seems to be, this is their SAP source, S4HANA, ECC, CRM, whatever. Then most of the organizations, what they're doing is they're doing a large model and n number of small agents, right? For AI. The problem, this they are copying from the consumer space where, as individuals, we have different tasks, different usages, so independent agents can work, right? The problem at workplace is not these agents, but how the workflow happens across these agents. How do we orchestrate them? And when I talk to any of these providers, they're great at building these agents, but if they keep this model of large number of agents talking to a large model, the orchestration is difficult. Where we are taking slightly different approaches, we're taking it small models, for your tariff, for your procurement, for your sales orders, etc., and one macro agent which can get information from all of these. Some of these may be SAP, some of these may be non-SAP as well, and then run the orchestration through the tasks. So that's where you will find the stream intelligence approach slightly different. And by the way, we do support in some cases non-SAP as well. So, orchestrating from all of these and building your stuff. So yeah, I think if you were to see, the green is the approach which we have taken. One macro, because we have one simple API to which I can get 1.3 million objects from SAP, right? And then build the orchestration on top of it. Any questions, comments on this approach versus what we are seeing in the market?
So basically what I'm seeing is that you've got microservices almost, if we think about it.
Yes.
Yes. That's great, because then that means also you're not hitting everything with one go.